Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about Hdfs block replication, and you can see here the file data file is divided into different block sizes. That is, here they have taken it as 64 MB blocks, and so they have divided the data file into 5 blocks. So they have taken an example. So here, for example, they have taken 5 blocks. If you see here, we have 8 data nodes: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And block number 1, if you observe, it is placed in the first data node, as well as it is placed in the fourth data node and in seventh data node. Okay, so it is so block is replicated 3 times here. Okay, but it is placed in different places for different data nodes. Similarly, if you observe, 3 is placed in first one, second one here, third one here. So that is randomly distributing the Hdfs blocks. If any, for example, if you think that this block, this data node itself fails, so in that case, so we have to retrieve the block 1. So the name node, what it will do, so again it will contact this data node, because this data node is now not working due to some malfunctioning or any system failures. Okay, so that data node is not available in the distributed networking. So in that case, so we can get the data again from 2 places, from this data node as well as this one. Okay, so this is how the reliability is maintained in Hdfs. So while designing, so by default it is 3, so it can be more than 3 also. It depends on the application and kind of security needed for that application. So the replication factor may be 3 or more than 3. By default it is 3. So next we will discuss about rack awareness. And rack awareness deals with data locality. So Hadoop cluster will exhibit 3 levels of data locality. One is data resides on the local machine, it is called as best. And data resides in the same rack, again it is better. And data resides in the different rack, it is good. So if you want to understand rack awareness, first you should know what is rack. Okay, so let us understand a rack with help of an example. Okay, so here rack is nothing but is a collection of machines which are physically located in a single place or a data center, connected through traditional network design and top of a rack switching mechanism. So it is, rack is nothing but a collection of machines which are physically located in a single place or in a data center. And in Hadoop, if you see, rack is a physical collection of slave machines put together at a single location for data storage. There can be multiple racks in a single location. Okay, so if you see here, so we have 3 racks here: rack 1, rack 2 and rack 3. And we have block A in red color, block B in blue color, and block again in green color. Okay, if you see here in rack 1, again in we have 4 computers here, and in rack 2 we have 4, and rack 3 we have 4. Total we have 12 computers, but it is distributed among the racks. And you can see the replications factor here also. So block number is present in rack 1 here. So rack 1, first block, first system it is there, and in rack 2 it is again, it is placed in fifth system as well as sixth system. If you observe block B, it has two blocks C, sorry. Okay, I can take block B now. So okay, it is taken in so rack 2 here, and it is also available in the 9 and 10 rack 3. So rack awareness is nothing but, if you go to the previous definition, so it deals with data locality. So Hadoop cluster will exhibit three levels of data locality. Means data resides on the local machine, it is best, it is called as best. You see here, if it is in the same machine, data resides in the same machine, then it is best. And if it is in the same rack, it is better, and it is in different rack, it is good. Suppose this data resides here, then it is only good. But in the same rack, if you get, for example, this one and this one are in the same rack, so it is better. Okay, so this is rack awareness regarding to the data availability. If it is available in some other location like rack 3, so retrieval of data, again it consumes time, because it has to go from rack 3 to the name node there. Okay, so that's why if it is in the same rack or same machine, then it is called as a best one. Okay.